Hello and welcome to Outstanding English. My name is Todd Elbrovitz. In this video, we're going to talk about the future simple tense and using going to create sentences and questions. We use going to in the future simple tense to talk about future plans. These are plans we intend to do, but we haven't made arrangements for yet. One example is, we're going to visit Disneyland next summer. This is something maybe we've talked about doing, but we haven't booked our flight or reserved a hotel yet. Another example says, I'm going to buy a new laptop. Maybe I've thought about buying one, but I haven't decided on a model I want to purchase yet. We also use going to talk about things we expect to happen because of what we know or what we see right now. So two examples are, I'm going to be late for class. In this example, maybe we're riding on a bus to school and we're stuck in a traffic jam. So based on the traffic jam, we know we're going to be late for school. Another example says, it's going to rain soon. So maybe you look out your window, you see a bunch of dark clouds, and you hear a rumble of thunder in the distance. You know it's going to rain soon. We also use going to in the future simple tense to talk about things we plan to do in the immediate future. So my first example says, I'm going to go to the pharmacy. Do you need anything? In this case, maybe I'm on my way out the door, so I'm using the future simple tense with going to. My second example says, I don't feel so good. I'm going to take the afternoon off and rest. Maybe when you got to work, you thought you could do the whole day, but your condition got worse and worse, and you feel it's best to just go home and rest. So here we're using the future simple tense with going to as well. To create a positive sentence in the future simple tense with going to, we have our subject, followed by our be verb, is, going to, and a base verb. So some examples are, I'm going to finish on time, we're going to cook dinner, and she's going to win. To create a negative sentence, we have our subject, our be verb, and not, going to, and a base verb. Some examples are, I'm not going to finish on time, we're not going to cook dinner, and he's not going to win. To create a yes or no question, we switch our be verb and our subject. So we have our be verb first, followed by our subject, going to, and our base verb. For example, am I going to finish on time? And we could answer, yes you are, or no you're not, or no you aren't. Are they going to cook dinner? Yes they are, or no they're not, or no they aren't. Is he going to win? Yes he is, or no he's not, or no he isn't. To create a WH question in the future simple tense with going to, we have our WH question word, followed by our be verb, is, our subject, going to, and our base verb. Some examples are, when are you going to get a haircut? Not anytime soon, I just got one. What is your family going to do this weekend? We're going to go fishing. Where are they going to travel this summer? They're going to travel to Greece. These exercises and more are available in a shared Google Doc in the description below this video. For these, take the verb in parentheses and put it in the future simple tense using going to. If it says not, make it negative. Pause this video as you work. Let's look at our answers together. Number 1 says, she's going to quit her job next week. You could also say, she is going to quit her job next week. Number 2 says, we're not going to finish painting this room today. We could also say, we are not going to finish, or we aren't going to finish. Number 3 says, their family is going to move to a nicer apartment next month. Number 4 says, he isn't going to accept that job because it's too far away. You could also say, he is not going to accept, or he's not going to accept. Number 5 says, the cat is going to scratch you if you get closer. Number 6 says, you're going to get a ticket if you keep driving so fast. You could also say, you are going to get a ticket if you keep driving so fast. For these exercises, unscramble the yes, no, and WH questions. Pause this video as you complete your work. Let's look at our answers together. Number 1 says, are they going to finish before 6 o'clock? Number 2 says, what are you going to do this summer? Number 3 says, when are the children going to finish their chores? Number 4 says, is the city going to repair these sidewalks soon? And number 5 says, where are you going to spend your honeymoon? Thank you for joining me here at Outstanding English. If you liked this video, hit that outstanding like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the future.